So I got this. Oh, fuck. All right, so I got the clutch in from Spec Clutch. I think it's the stage 1 plus for the RX7 FC because I am using 13B. Dude, it's like 12, 16, 17. There you go. 12, 17 in the morning, bro. We're about to put in the clutch. All right, so I had to make the car safe. There's nothing safe about being underneath it. But little fucking ramps on that jack stand. And then I got 2 in the front ready to catch the car in case it falls. And I'm also in the transmission tunnel, so hopefully I'm not crushed. But I'll just be stuck instead. But anyways, where you going? Does this even fit? No. Oh, there's one already in there. Sweet. All right, now that we've sprayed it down with brake cleaner and wiped it down, wipe it down, down. Now you're gonna put the clutch back in, so drag it back on over, put the tool in, pick it up. Centering device, whatever you wanna call it. I hope this hole is big enough on the pressure plate that it'll fit. Drain out the fluid, of course. Now, this is where we do some James Bond type shit here. Which way is the right way? This way is the right way.
Red, red, green, or red, green, red. And he's supposed to be the demolition expert.
There we go. Okay. Now, we can start putting in some bolts. I think it's 6 total. At 20 foot-pounds. This bolt, fuck no. Like, you gonna clean up a little bit. Like, come on now. All right, there we go. Still a little rusty, but it's cool. Come on, man. There we go. Okay, so something definitely ain't right with my torque wrench, because it should be done. Like, I know I have a gut feeling that's telling me it should be done, but it wants to keep going. And I'm like, nah, because I can see the metal from the pressure plate bend. So I'm just gonna leave it as that. When I wake up tomorrow, I'm gonna go get a new, when I wake up tomorrow, I'm gonna get a new torque wrench and some more brake cleaner.
On today's episode of Jackass, I've got Colby here with me.
Fuck, this is the wrong socket.
Literally, end of December.
That doesn't sound healthy. Yeah. I'm gonna turn this real quick. No, this is not reach. You gotta do it with this side here. Because the disc like stop up there, and the block will be able to sit onto the mount. I have to come into this side.
Alright.
Inside on the counter.
Yeah. Alright, I'll hold it here. You're good? We gotta drop the actual crane itself. same beam. My fucking god, dude. Alright.
You want to take a picture?
That's not gonna last.
No, it's not. That's why I gotta do this fast.
Yeah, it'll last enough for a picture. Hold on, dude. Come over here, dude.
Did you just call me babe?
Frank, we're gonna take a picture real quick.
Okay.
Take a picture of this.
There, I got something. I did a 0.5 because I thought it'd be funnier.
Thanks. Dude, I look beat. I look Asian.
A little bit.
That makes 2 of y'all.
Yeah. Hold up.
Yeah, that bad boy's being drug.
Is it easier to lift on that end to like tip it, or
This end?
yeah, or like
tip it down this way?
no up.
Oh, up?
Yeah. That way, like it could clear that. There we go.
Absolutely.
All right, I'm about to lower it.
Oh shit.
Might wanna watch
Okay,
your
hold on,
hands.
hold on.
Yeah.
Then let me get a better grip on these things up here.
Yeah. It's not gonna get caught right there, is it? Hope not. We'll go to the top. All right, you can let go. You let go.
There you go.
Yep. There you go.
It's literally this part of the chain right here is stopping us from getting that last bit. Now,
Yeah.
if I go under, maybe I can push the transmission up and try to get it.
Oh shit! You okay?
I swear to God, Frank.
You
I swear to
okay?
God, Frank. I'm gonna throw one of these fucking cans at you, Frank.
There's a big ass welder right there. You can't see it.
Fucking can of PB, motherfucker.
Oopsie.
Oh.
Oh. It is. It is aligned. Whatever you're doing, it's working.
So your right side mount?
Yeah.
That's where the drain plug was literally sitting.
Oh, I see where it made that mark.
I
Yeah.
was super. I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah.
Now, alternative option.
Yeah.
Just grab that side. It's a lot easier. So then pull this off and put this right on the table.
Chippy chippy choppa choppa dooby dooby dooby.
Like my butt crease, like on the outside, not my crack, but my crease.
Like that.
No.
See if you could
Pushing the engine up from here.
It's like poetry.
Lift it.
When it's on there like that, hold it, because then we gotta push it in together.
Okay.
So lined up.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Whatever you're doing. Hold it right here. Right here. Get out from under there, just in case. I don't want that falling on you when I yank on this shit. Coño! There we go.
Oh my god, did it work?
Almost. Drop?
Oh, no.
No.
Right there.
Dropping.
Slowly. Really slowly.
Dropping.
Oh my god, we're in my butter, baby!
Yes! Woo! Woo! Holy shit. I could kiss you right now. Fuck, dude. Yeah, this is not a one-man project. Fuck that. I've done a lot of shit that's like
all of it.
that's like a two-man. Fuck, dude. I was so scared that this shit wasn't gonna clear it,
No, it cleared, but
and it cleared.
yeah. Now here's my next issue.